Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you steps on how you can unsuspend Twitter account. I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to unsuspend your Twitter account, you'll not be able to do it from the application itself. You'll need to log in from the web browser. For that, you need to open up your web browser thing on the search box. Type in Hub Center, twitter.hub.com. Once you type in the Hub thing, you'll be taken to the Hub Center, and this is what the interface is going to look like. Right at the bottom, there are multiple topics. Now you'll need to select on About Suspended Account. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be able to see an article. Go through this article and you need to click on the link that is How to Unsuspend Your Twitter Account. Just click on it. So once you're on this page, you can see there are a list of articles or suggestions on how you can unsuspend your account. You can go on with all of these methods. If you're still unable to unsuspend your account, you can simply file a report. So for that, click on this link that is File an Appeal, and you'll need to submit a report. And after that, you'll be able to see this kind of article, and you need to click on Get Login Help. You can go through all of these procedures and click on the link in order to continue on, and in this way you can unsuspend your Twitter account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.